Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from CoinStats to your bank account using the updated method in 2025. So step 1, open the CoinStats app or website and log into your account. Step 2, go to their portfolio and select the wallet or exchange that you want to withdraw from. Make sure that it's connected with full API access. Step 3. You will need to withdraw your crypto assets to an external wallet that supports fiat conversion like Binance, Coinbase, and Crypto.com. Step 4. In CoinStats, tap the send or withdraw and choose the wallet address from your exchange account. Step 5. Once the funds arrive in your exchange wallet, you now sell the crypto to your local currency. Step 6. Tap the withdraw to bank on the exchange account and then choose your bank account and confirm the transaction. Processing time varies from instant to 2 business days. CoinStats help you to track your portfolio, but the actual withdrawal always happens through a linked exchange. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.